Happy morning to one of our present here. Today we want to discuss about the new case study about bridge collapse due to the cast cutting methods that can be explained with our friends Mr. Prithvi Rajan as well as S. Hariharan. Both of them take care in the case study. During the case study, if you have any queries, let it to be continued for both of them. After the finishing the video, finishing the class, you can ask the further questions. Let me start.
Hello everyone, myself Hariharan and his Prithvi Rajan. In this video we will see about bridge collapse due to cost cutting. In this video we will see contents like introduction, event leading to failure, parties and their roles, ethical issues, ethical analysis, possible actions and conclusion. First we will see introduction. Ethical engineering ethics ensure public safety, welfare and trust. Engineers must make a decision with protect human lives. This case study discuss cost cutting, ethical responsibility of engineers involved, event leading to failure. A construction company receives a contract for construct a building in a highway. Initially, design will start with the basics of high quality of steel, concretes and skilled labor. After that, management will changes the designs aspects like weaker concrete and steels and implementing unskilled labor for their profit margin. This will cause us the bridge collapse after a few years. A cheaper concrete, weaker steels, unskilled worker will be used. Engineers observe the following issues like poor curing of concrete, lack of safety testing. In this case, the company will not measure the safety precautions and concrete level of lab testing. Poor and cheaper steel bar can cause us the weakness of bridges, and after a few months it will started cracking. Due to more peak hours and traffic, it will impact the steel and concrete and it causes the collapse. Due to this, after 6 months, the bridge will collapse due to the peak traffic. Parties affected their roles. Engineers will be responsible for their safety and quality checks. The government will approve the detailed study of design and safety measures before the construction of bridges. After that, Prithvi Rajan will continue the ethical issues, ethical analysis, possible actions and their conclusions.
Okay. Here we are going to see about ethical issue. Ethical issue, avoidance of safety, where we are avoiding the safety features by the engineers and violation of engineering standards. There should be a standard in building a bridge, or there should be used high set concrete quality, skilled labor should be used, the design should be calculated at the utmost period. Ignore of warnings, ignoring the warning symbols, the speed limits, speed breakers, using heavy vehicles on the bridge may lead to collapse. Ethical analysis, unsafe material, using the concrete, cements, quality of steel materials are used in low quality. Overcoming this, engineers should use high quality materials. That in that management profit will be low, but the cost of making bridges high, and it will have the life period of more time. As Kohlberg's theory, we have three stages: pre-convention, convention, and post-convention. As this process, engineers should do the construct the bridges at most in the safety curve. Possible action, documentation of report. They should make a report in a detailed way that designed to the final stage of bridge should be calculated. Report to higher officials. Each and every step should be reported to the higher officials at the quality and everything. In case of there should be any lack of quality, we should stop working. Engineers should stop working in this project and make a protest to make it the bridge in high quality, or ask for third party inspection. Asking other party to inspect the bridge, it may lead to life of bridge height. At last conclusion, the safety is of purest importance in building a bridge for this public sector, the ethical decision making of engineers should be made higher to prevent from disaster and save life. Thank you.
Nowadays, we can see the cost cutting forever. For example, we are buying a new land or purchasing a new homes. The third party will come and say as a good product of materials and so on and so on to communicate with us. So after the day-to-day life, we can realize that the cost cutting is the major role in food processing, food producting, or even drinking the waters, whatever the things. So kindly we are ensured of the safety first and as well as the wealth. That's why the professional ethics will be needs to communicate with you all. So we want to communicate with the society and help for them. Thank you.